my name is Jessica J if you're new here, and to all my returning subscribers, hello. How you guys doing? So today we're gonna do my Christmas tablescape. I'm so excited to do this. I got all my items in and I am ready. So I'll just quickly show you guys what I got, and then I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna put everything together, which should be fun. Okay, so first I wanna show you guys my plates. I decided to go with the Hearth in Hand with Magnolia plates. These are from Target. They're very inexpensive, and I got 5 of the salad plates and 5 of the dinner plate. So for Christmas, I don't think we'll be serving salad. So we're gonna actually use these as our dessert plates. And then I got the dinner plates, and I love these plates, you guys. I'm just a little bit worried about them potentially scratching, but I love these plates. They're so beautiful, and I love how they're kind of organic looking. They're not your traditional plate. They're matte black for one, and they have like this irregular shape to them and just totally imperfect, which I feel like it speaks to me. I feel like this is me all the way. And then I got gold flatware. I got a set of 5, and I got these from Amazon. Very, very inexpensive as well. And then I got the white napkins from HomeGoods. We're gonna use some candles, and I also have some black candlesticks, which I actually need to bring those out. I got some twine from Marshall's. We're gonna tie some greenery to the napkins. And then for our centerpiece, I actually went to my local florist the other day, and they are closed for the weekend. So I have to improvise, and I'm gonna use some of my garland that I actually cut in half. So I'm gonna use half of the garland, which is faux, and I'm going to mix it with some real. I think that's my thing, mix and fake with real. I think you can just really elevate what you have and getting items that are easily available to you. So I got 2 different kind of eucalyptus. So since the florist was closed and I needed to get this out to you guys, I went to Stater Brothers, and they had 2 different kind of eucalyptus, which is awesome. So I want to encourage you guys to support your local florist. They're probably not getting as much business because of everything going on. So I do plan on going back closer to Christmas to get my greenery from there, because this is going to die before Christmas. And then also use what you have. I could have got new candles and nice little, containers to put them in, but I just have these sitting around, and I'm gonna use these and repurpose them for this, which I don't think there's anything wrong with it at all. By the way, follow me on Instagram, you guys. I did show a sneak peek of these items early on, so follow me on Instagram so you guys don't miss out on anything that I show. My name on there is MyJessicaJ. And by the way, our live cocktail happy hour is happening Saturday. If you're watching this, I already released the recipe, so if you guys missed that, just click on the community tab on my page, and you guys will find the invitation with the ingredients and all the details there. So we have everything laid out, so let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna start by making our centerpiece. That is the heart of our tablescape. I'm going to use my garland. So it is faux, but I think it looks pretty good. And I think when we mix the eucalyptus in here, it's gonna make it look even better. So I'm just gonna try to hide some of these right here. And then let me see what side looks better. Like one side definitely looks a lot more full than the other. So I'm just gonna kind of bring what's on the bottom up top to kind of hide that branch. Now if the branch was more brown, it looked more realistic, I would just leave it alone, not even worry about it, but it doesn't. So we're just gonna cover it up. So we're just gonna start with a round shape so that we can stick the candlesticks inside, and then we can put the other candles around it. So my goal was to get something really deep green and kind of have it a very moody vibe, but I had limited options. So I picked up 2 different kind of eucalyptus. This one right here, which I love the deep color of it. And then the silver dollar eucalyptus, which you guys are all probably familiar of. So we're gonna mix both of these together. I think I'm going to start with the silver dollar eucalyptus because it is bigger. And then we're gonna stick some of these throughout. And then I also wanna tie some greenery to our napkins, but I don't know which one to use. This is some branches from our real Christmas tree, so I don't know if I wanna just do one stem like that. Ooh, that looks good. I love how deep green that is. And I also thought this was nice. Ooh, I don't know which one to choose. Which one do you guys think? They both look so good. I don't know. I really don't know. Comment down below which one do you think I should use. I think I might go with this. So I need to remind myself not to use too much of it. So I decided to go with the eucalyptus. I just feel like it looks a little bit more earthy and elegant. And I think that looks good. Plus, I think it's a good way to incorporate what's in the centerpiece on the napkins. And then I'm just going to tie this twine around it. Kind of gives it another earthy element and adds some warmth to the table too, since we're using so much black. I have these candlesticks right here. They used to be a champagne color, but I did spray paint them black. So I'm just gonna stick them in here, and I'm gonna play around with the centerpiece to kind of make it look good. I think it would look amazing if I had 3, which I don't. So I'm gonna add more candles all around the centerpiece just to give it some more visual interest and make it look more romantic. There's nothing more romantic than adding candles. Okay, so I'm gonna start laying out the flatware. So I'm gonna start with the salad forks, which are the smaller forks on the outside, and then the dinner plate, or the dinner forks are gonna go on the inside. So now we're going to add the knife and the dinner spoon. We're gonna skip out on adding the dessert spoon. I just think it'll be too much, so we're just gonna skip it entirely. And you just wanna make sure that your blade is facing your plates. Next, I'm gonna add these cups right here. We're gonna use these as our water cups. I do have these in a taller glass, but I just think these will look better on the table. It just looks like this, and it kind of has these indentations right here, which kind of make it easier for you to hold your glass, but I just think these are beautiful. And I don't know, I just think the shorter ones look better on the table with the wine glasses. And then next we're going to add our wine glasses. I'm using these right here. These are the Shots We Sold white wine glasses. I did get them from HomeGoods, but you can find these at Crate and Barrel as well. So one's not gonna have a glass. I actually only have 4 of these, but that's okay. And then we're just gonna add the napkins just like that. So when you're lighting your candles, you just wanna make sure that you don't have any of this greenery in the way. You don't wanna create a fire hazard. much for watching. I hope that I could give you guys some inspiration to do your tablescapes. Even though, you know, we're not having big extravagant parties, you still can make it festive, fun, and intimate for your family. So don't forget that. It's all about that feeling you want to bring into your home, and then you can still enjoy Christmas as well. So please give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.